If you are planning to buy a drone or you are a content creator looking to upgrade your setup, stop scrolling and listen closely, because what DJI is about to do with the upcoming DJI Neo 3 will change the content creation landscape forever. For months, the tech community has been flooded with leaks, patents, and insider rumors about what is next for DJI's lightest, most pocket-sized lineup. The original DJI Neo took the world by storm because it weighed just 135 grams, practically a toy in your hand. Yet it shot stabilized 4K video and took off right from your palm without requiring a bulky remote. It changed how solo creators, vloggers, and travelers look at B-roll. But let's be completely honest with ourselves. The first generation had some massive pain points. The battery life left you wanting more, the wind resistance made you nervous on breezy beach days, and the single-axis gimbal meant that if you flew too aggressively, your horizon line would warp. Tech enthusiasts have been waiting to see how the world leader in drone technology fixes these issues. Rumors out of the supply chain indicate that the engineering teams are addressing every single complaint with the upcoming DJI Neo 3. If you want to know whether you should hold on to your money, skip the current models, or how this tiny machine is going to beat out massive $500 setups, you need to understand exactly what is happening behind closed doors. Let us start with the most critical leak that has everyone talking: the massive upgrade to the camera system and thermal efficiency. The biggest complaint with pocket-sized drones has always been overheating and sensor limitations. When you compress a 4K camera, an AI processing chip, and high-powered motors into a plastic frame that fits in your pocket, it acts like a tiny furnace. If you run the original Neo for more than a few minutes on a warm day, the internal components get incredibly hot. To fix this, leaked designs for the new model show a completely re-engineered open-grill propeller guard system. This is not just a cosmetic change. This structural modification forces air directly over the core processing board while the drone is in flight, serving as a passive cooling system. Why does a tiny vlogging drone need this level of advanced cooling? The answer lies in the rumored processing power required for the new camera sensor. Insiders suggest that the device will be capable of shooting 4K footage at a staggering 120 frames per second. To put that into perspective, the previous iterations capped out at 4K at 30 frames per second. Bumping that up to 120 frames per second means you are no longer just getting standard casual vlogs. You are looking at buttery smooth, high frame rate cinematic slow motion shots captured from a device that weighs less than an iPhone. Imagine walking through a crowded city street or running down a hiking trail, hitting a single button on your drone, and having it track you while capturing cinema-grade slow motion that looks like it was shot on a high-end production rig. But high frame rates are useless if the footage is shaky, which brings us to the next massive engineering overhaul: the stabilization mechanism. The previous models relied on a single-axis mechanical gimbal paired with digital software optimization, specifically DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon balancing technologies. While electronic image stabilization does a fantastic job of smoothing out minor bumps, it comes at a cost. The software has to crop into your image sensor, meaning you lose a significant portion of your wide-angle view just to keep the shot steady.